Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing Kali and installing Wine because Microsoft Office depends on Windows APIs. First, update the system, then install Wine, Winatrix, and required 32-bit libraries so Office can run. Once done, create a dedicated 32-bit Wine prefix to avoid conflicts and set Windows version to Windows 10 in Winc. This isolates Office, makes troubleshooting simpler, and prevents global library mismatches. Make sure to install core fonts early so UI renders correctly. You now install Office inside the prepared prefix. Use Winatrix to add Cora fonts, vcrun 2015, and .NET 48 only if required by your Office version. These provide runtime libraries Office expects. Then run the Office installer with Wine prefix set, watching output for missing DLLs. If an error occurs, Winatrix often supplies verbs that install the missing components. Once the installer finishes, run the Office apps to complete initial configuration and activate with your license. You finish by launching each Office app and applying updates inside the Wine environment so everything is current. Create desktop or menu shortcuts pointing to the Wine prefix binaries for quick access, and associate common file types if desired. If an app crashes, check the Wine log for missing DLLs or permission errors, and try recreating a clean Wine prefix before repeating the install. This reset often resolves corrupted registries or conflicting libraries, making Office stable in Kali.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.